AI company CoreWeave will buy Bitcoin mining giant Core Scientific for $9 billion. Bitcoin mining. Including the elimination of the lease overhead, this deal adds $500 million of estimated fully ramped annual run rate cost savings by the end of 2027 through streamlined operational focus, the announcement says. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 5 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin mining company Core Scientific has revealed that AI infrastructure firm CoreWeave will acquire it in an all-stock transaction. According to the press release, the transaction will close in the fourth quarter of this year. Core Scientific stockholders will receive 0.1235 newly issued shares of CoreWeave Class A common stock, on a fixed exchange ratio, for each share of Core Scientific common stock they hold. The total equity value is approximately $9 billion. The partners will determine the final value when the transaction closes. Also, at that point, Core Scientific stockholders' ownership of the merged company will be less than 10%, the announcement says. Moreover, the companies expect an immediate elimination of more than $10 billion of cumulative future lease overhead. It will be paid for existing contractual sites over the next 12 years. Including the elimination of the lease overhead, this deal adds $500 million of estimated fully ramped annual run rate cost savings by the end of 2027 through streamlined operational focus, the announcement notes. The benefits of the acquisition, per the teams, also include a possibility to repurpose toward HPC, high-performance computing, usage or divest crypto mining business in the medium term, as well as additional access to various financing sources at a more attractive cost of capital. Meanwhile, the two companies have been negotiating a merger for a while now. An earlier $1 billion bid was rejected last year. You may also like CoreWeave returns with new $1 billion plus bid for Core Scientific after rejection. CoreWeave is back at the negotiating table with a renewed push to acquire Core Scientific, according to a report from the Wall Street Journal. The AI-focused cloud infrastructure firm is reportedly in advanced talks to buy the Bitcoin mining and hosting giant, after a previous $1 billion bid was rejected last year. Core Scientific jumps 27% as CoreWeave reignites acquisition talks. The earlier offer, made at $5.75 per share, was turned down by Core Scientific's board, which said the stocks drop. CoreWeave completed its IPO in March 2025. The price of the stock at the time of writing is $155.90, down 2.38%. Its highest point was $183 seen in June. Core Scientific is down 1.35% to $14.63. It hit its peak of $18.23 in November last year. Now, CoreWeave says this merger will provide it with some 1.3 gigawatts of gross power, with an incremental 1 GW plus of potential gross power available for expansion. It argues it will see significant cost savings through streamlining business operations and eliminating lease overhead. Also, the acquisition will enable it to seek infrastructure financing for capital expenditures, reducing its cost of capital. This acquisition accelerates our strategy to deploy AI and HPC workloads at scale, said Michael Trader, CoreWeave's chief executive officer, chairman of the board, and co-founder. Verticalizing the ownership of Core Scientific's high-performance data center infrastructure enables CoreWeave to significantly enhance operating efficiency and de-risk our future expansion, solidifying our growth trajectory. Adam Sullivan, president and chief executive officer of Core Scientific, added that the merged company will be well-positioned to accelerate the availability of world-class infrastructure for companies innovating with AI, while delivering value for the shareholders. In February this year, Core Scientific and CoreWeave revealed plans for a $1.2 billion data center expansion. The partners argued that the partnership could ultimately lead to over $10 billion in cumulative revenue opportunities. As part of the expansion, Core Scientific increased its capacity in Texas, USA, aiming to build one of the largest GPU supercomputers in North America. Meanwhile, in May, Core Scientific announced financial results for the year's first quarter. Net income was $580.7 million, compared to $210.7 million for the same period in 2024. Total revenue stood at $79.5 million, while it was $179.3 million in the same period last year. You may also like, Core Scientific announces $1.2 billion data center expansion, despite $265 million Q4 loss. Bitcoin mining company Core Scientific has revealed plans for a $1.2 billion data center expansion in partnership with artificial intelligence startup CoreWeave. The announcement follows the company's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report, which disclosed a net loss of $265.5 million. On February 26, Core Scientific published its Q4 and full-year financial results for 2024, attributing the significant loss primarily to a $224.7 million non-cash mark-to-market adjustment related to follow us on Google News, trending news, recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP. Shiba Inu and Bonk, which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Is consolidation over? Crypto Michael's chart hints at explosive move. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Press releases. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Industry talk. XRP price prediction. On-chain signals flash green surge to $3 plus now locked in. 3 hours ago, by Harvey Hunter. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 hours ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 8, 2025. 4 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 5 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 4 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.